charts and say, okay, I'm using the blue nozzles and I'm going this speed and I got this pressure, so I'm putting down that much. Well, you might not be. You might have been on day one, but chances are your tractor isn't exactly going the speed you thought it was, because you can change the speed of a tractor by inflating and deflating the tires. Right? You can change the ground speed of a tractor by somewhere along the line had to change the transmission in something and you didn't account for that. There's all kinds of things that you can do that can change the ground speed. So what we've done for you here is we've included on section 20 the best method of calibration I have ever seen. Okay? I deal primarily with field sprayers, so I'm going to just point to it. If you go to page 232, you'll see the calibration method for a boom sprayer. If you're not good at math, this is a gift from God. Okay? A guy from Centralia College, you know his name? Who was it?
Well, I think Helmut did it.
Was it Helmut that did it? Okay. Whoever put this together, I hope it was Helmut, because it would make me even more endeared to him. Whoever put this together, it's brilliant. It's like a recipe. You just go step by step by step by step, and when you're done, you calibrate the sprayer. I don't know anything about cooking, but if you give me a recipe and a bunch of supplies, I can bake a cake. And it's not because I'm good at it, it's not because I know anything about it, it's not because I even particularly like doing it. I know I can do it. I don't know baking powder from baking soda, but if the instructions tell me to use baking soda, I can do it. Okay? This is the same thing for calibration of equipment. So if you look at that one for field sprayers, some of you have no idea what a field sprayer is and will never touch one, it doesn't matter. Just have a look at it. Okay? Step one tells you what to do. Put your stakes 50 meters apart, get your sprayer set up that you're going to spray it, travel 50 meters, time how long it took you to travel 50 meters. Just follow the instructions, go step by step by step. Step two, measure the average nozzle output, tells you exactly how to do it. See how much is coming out of each nozzle for that same amount of time. Okay? Then you measure the distance between your nozzles in meters. Most of them are about a half a meter, about 18 inches. But measure it, see what it is. And then you just use that equation on, that's number 4 there. And if you're a math guy, you're going to look at that equation and go, oh, I see where that came from. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Okay? This will tell you, and I've been preaching this gospel for a long time, guys. I photocopy this page, I give it to all the guys that work for us, right? I don't know if that's plagiarism or not, I hope it's okay. I photocopy this, I've laminated it, I've taken staple guns and put it on people's walls, I've glued it to people's desks. Now one guy almost staple gunned it to his forehead because I couldn't get him to calibrate his equipment, and it's that easy to do. Okay? There's a similar one in there for backpack sprayers. There's a similar one in there for orchard blast sprayers. It's the most simple, straightforward method of calibration I've ever seen. So, if a third of us are putting down a third too much material, let's go. Let's get this. Okay? That's a lot of material that we're wasting, guys. So take the time to spray and calibrate your equipment. If you've got another method of doing it, there's those TJET calculators, and I don't care how you do it. I'm just begging you to do it. Okay? Let's make sure we're putting down the right amount of pesticide. Okay? So remember that's there. For this spring, when you get out your equipment, please take the time and do it. Section number 20.